My preview looks like this small drone is better than this one, but really I mean the importance of these small drones. Everything in a row. I have already made several videos about tiny whoops, but still want to comment to you the importance of this particular type of drone, and the first is the price. I have several such drones like this one, or like this Air65, or this Beta FPV Air75. I love all of them, but what is important is the price of the drones itself, around 100 bucks. It is a doozy, isn't it? Moreover, the price of spare part is also very cheap. This type of drones are not easy to break, but still we look into the future. Of course, you can say that mostly these drones have an analog video transmission system. That is true. And in my case, I installed such an analog adapter for my DJI goggles. It has fascinated me so much that I will change it to true analog goggles. Is it worth it? Let's move on. Next, I would like to highlight the friendliness of random people to these drones. In Canada, I learned about Karen, you know exactly what I'm talking about, right? And it is important that these drones are not scary for people. They do not look dangerous and are not, as a benefit, they do not require registration or any permission. You can fly anywhere. So, I already have Air65, Air75, and now I have Meteor75. This point is very important. When I started my FPV journey in 2019, that is 5 years ago, it was a 5-inch drone, in my case of course, and it is great. I also had a simulator such as liftoff, but my main idea that a small drone is not worth the new 5-inch drone. You can do the same tricks on it as a large drone. Tiny whoop can do the same thing, but it is cheaper and more places are available for practice. This is not longer a simulator, but a real drone that has the same firmware as the large drones. You can practice on this for your future flights, on a freestyle drone or long range or whatever. What is interesting, these small drones still feel a little bit different, have less inertia and require more attention to the throttle stick. And this is what gives you the opportunity to improve your throttle control. I don't know which drone is right for you. I have many of them for different conditions. Moreover, I got another one from Beta FPV. This is Meteor75, what means 75 millimeters. Honestly, 80 millimeters. And I have big expectation for it, especially for outdoor flights. From November 21st to December 2nd, there will be a discount of 50% on everything on the official website. I will leave my referral link in the description, just for information. This is how I started my video today. Winter is coming and sometimes flying outside is not comfortable. It's cold or there are no such possibility at all. In this case, the tiny drones come in handy, like this Air65 for example, give us the opportunity to fly indoors, at home, in the gym or whatever you have an indoor space. I just want to say that these small drones are clearly underestimated and they're capable of much more. then you might think about them. They gain more and more popularity, competition races are being organized, and maybe this is our future. If you understand what I'm talking about.